So hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to solve min. So there's two ways to solve min. One is just a simple way like this, but if there's too much statistics for this question, right, you can use a calculator. So in order to do this, you have to find the midpoint of all the class intervals. So I have prepared the midpoint for you all. This is the example. Okay, so the formula of min is the sum of the frequency times the midpoint of all class intervals, and then divided by the sum of the frequencies. As you can see here, 2 frequency is 2, midpoint 35.5 times over here times 2. So you add it all up and then you divide it by the total frequency as I told you just now. And yeah, so if you want to use a calculator, using the calculator method is a little simple at first. Wait, the camera is okay. I'm not so sure if you can see, but okay. So first you need to use the function. You see mode here, you press until you find the SD. See the SD? Yeah, so you press 1. So now there's an SD symbol over here, so it means that now you can solve the min with this function. So to start off, you insert the first midpoint. See, you insert the first midpoint inside the calculator. So the first midpoint is 35.5. So insert inside the calculator. 35.5. Okay, now you want to add the frequency, but before you add the frequency, you need to press shift and then you press this small button here, and then you get this symbol. After you get this symbol, you insert the frequency, which is 2. Okay, put 2, and after that you don't press equal, never press equal. You press M plus over here, M plus. Yeah, so this button, it actually save the information inside the calculator. Okay, so it can be used to solve the question. N is actually the frequency, the total frequency you have saved inside the calculator. So over here you only inserted 2, so the total frequency in the calculator is 2. Okay, and after that you straight away insert the second midpoint, which is 5.5. Okay, so you add 45.5, and then you do the same thing. You press shift and you press this small button here, you get the symbol, and then you insert the next frequency, which is 5. So put 5 and then you press M plus. So this is now the total frequency. It's 7, as you see right here. 2 plus 5 is 7. So yeah, that's the total frequency, and then you just keep on adding it until you get the total frequency of 25. So you put 55.5, you put the symbol, then 6 is the frequency, then you press M plus. Now the total is, wait, oh no, I actually insert wrong number. Okay, doesn't matter, because at the end of this process, you can actually edit the information if you accidentally key in the wrong information. Okay, so you edit 65.5, Okay, add it plus got 27, and then it's 75.5. I get 4, then insert. Okay, well, since I said did a mistake earlier, it's supposed to be 25, but I got 31. It's okay, you can edit the information later. So this is your final answer. Now you just press this, get back to your the normal space. Now if you want to check your answers, you can actually see by pressing shift, and then you press 1. From here you get these 3 symbols, you press number 2, and then you press equal. Is 1790.5, but as I told you, I accidentally did a mistake earlier. It's supposed to be 1457.5, but yeah, it's working. So you want to check the value of the total frequency, just press on, press shift again, go number, I think it's number 1. Yeah, it's number 1, and then you press 3, you get N, you press equal, you got 31. And then you want to find the final answer, which is the mean of years. You press shift, then you press 2, you get these 3 symbols. You press the number 1, you get this symbol, you press equal. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to be 58, but I got 57. Okay, now okay, so this is how you check your edit your information. After you check your answer with the symbols I showed you just now, you can edit the information by pressing the top or bottom button, the top arrow key or bottom arrow key. Okay, this is 6 frequency. Okay, this I might have inserted 6 frequencies, but there's 5 frequencies here. So yeah, this is the midpoint of the oh no, I actually inserted to 6 values. Yeah, so I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to teach you here, and I hope you are able to apply this during your exam or any future questions you're going to face. Because well, Cikgu Azudin told me to share this information with you guys. He told me that we are going to use this function in the future. In the future, we're going to learn some complicated chapters in AdMaths. So, and it's important for us to know this. So, well, I wish you all a good day, and good luck trying to practice how to use this function. Thank you.